Ready to get glam. So many new products to try. Also, there's giveaways going on my Instagram stories at the moment, so hit the link in my bio if you want to get involved. I think we should do a glittery chest today because why not? She looks good. I have Bare Brows from Unicorn Cosmetics. Woo! Oh, it came with a spoolie. It's a very gel-like consistency. I waited for them to fully dry and they dry down matte, so obsessed with that. They don't seem like they're gonna budge, so we'll find out throughout this video. Okay, we have two primers. We have e.l.f. and we have The Hangover. I know this is like an OG, but I've just never tried it. So I think I'm gonna put this one like all over the face and then keep this one in the T-zone to keep it like mattified. Oh. Hello, you coming, girl? There you go. I wasn't sure what texture this is gonna be, but it's perfect for like the all over the face. What the hell? It's the tissue paper from the box it came in. Oh, it's so weird having it in like a liquid form. Normally a glowy queen, but we can mattify the T-zone. We actually have this to try today. I have actually tried this before. It exploded, so I've only used it like twice. This might be a really dumb idea, but I'm thinking of mixing the Drunk Elephant Dewdrops with the foundation. You know what? It's a testing video. Let's just give it a go. I think this shade will be good. I've just mixed some more in. If it's a little bit pale, it's okay because we're going to bronze up. Actually, this might be literally the most perfect shade match. Look at that. It's like my skin, but better. This might be a new go-to, guys. I don't have a new concealer, so I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel Multitasker because I love this one. Can you believe I've never tried the BFF face frostings? And they've also come out with a contour cake, then the Pixie Pen to contour your nose. So I've got the whole shebang, so let's try it out. In the shade Brownie Bay. Woo! It's literally, I think I picked the perfect shade. Tap into it. Maybe going lower. See that shadow? There. Now we're going to try the Pixie Pen. I've been excited to use this. I got in the shade Hawaii Huns. Okay, this is what she looks like. I'm excited for this. I'm going to take this brush here, make sure keeping it in the same place. That blends out so beautifully. Before we move on to the next step, I just want to try out Unicorn Cosmetics. It's the Barefaced Lip Oil. Sometimes it's smooth. Look at the packaging. That's so cool. Got hair on my face. It's doing my head in. Guys, that smells insane. Passion fruit martini. Try these lip oils. That's incredible. Next up is the actual BFF face frosting. This is literally a fan favorite. I would have liked it a little bit darker, but we'll try it. Peaches and Cream PC19 brush. I was wondering what the hype was about, to be honest with you, because I've tried a lot of cream bronzers, but this one's super creamy and glowy. It's added like a glaze to my skin. It's safe to say I have a new favorite cream bronzer. Blush, I'm excited for this after seeing the lip oil. Unicorn Cosmetics liquid to powder finish. So fun. So let's see. Look at the shades, by the way. The two colors, obsessed. I love them. I'll put them on my cheeks right now. One's called Bare Tease. Look at that color. Air Crush. Gonna be blushed up today, girls. I love it. Ah! Okay, I've been ridiculously excited to try this out. It's the Trugwell powder. And then look at my little, tiny little powder puff. It's the cutest thing ever. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Look at the difference. Really finely milled powder. It just kind of airbrushes the top layer of the skin instead of like caking on loads of loose powder. It's like a really light veil. It's very similar to the Hourglass Veil powder. Okay, slay. Love that from you, Trigwell. It's been a hot minute since I've done highlighter, but Too Faced sent me these and I couldn't not use them. Gave Leo energy. Look at the packaging. Is that not just so pretty? Here she is. Oh, it's got cat hair on it. I don't want that on my face, thank you. Tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Is highlighter back? I'll take it. Okay, for eyes, we have this Colourpop palette. These are the shades. Khaki shade down here. Maybe we'll go in with that. It's called Mossy. That doesn't have a mirror and I went to do that. We'll do like a little halo eye. And we do the inner bit as well. And leave that centre bit empty. That's where the glitter will go. Gonna keep that in the centre. Okay, before we finish the eyes, I'm gonna move on to lips. This is the Citizen lip liner in the shade Char. Looks like a really pretty pinky mauvey shade. That is the perfect like pinky nudie lip liner. Oh no. Yeah, I love that lip liner shade. I want a lip colour for the centre to be as light as my lip. I think we might have that. And this is in the shade Bare Energy. Those two together, slay. Can you believe I haven't tried a Tweezerman lash curler because I can't either. I don't know why I'm so excited over a lash curler, but I am. Hold that there for a little bit. Seeker mascara from Maybelline and it's waterproof and I love a waterproof mascara. I'm gonna let my lashes speak for themselves. I have a new fave mascara. I'm saying it now. Rimmel, you've done something here. And why are they always drugstore? Can't find an expensive one that's working these well. Makeup's done. Last thing is setting spray, and we have a mattifying setting spray here. I'm not a matte girly. Let's just try it out. Okay, I actually really like this. These are full first impressions. My skin looks insane. I didn't even notice my brows have literally not moved. There's not one product in this that I cannot not recommend. I'm gonna be using all of these products. Vibe today is just immaculate. For coming to watch me play with makeup. Love you so much.